Yeah. She doesn't want one.
Hey, give her a hat.
Hi. I'm gonna fall in here. Yeah. Yeah, keep on following me. My foot's stuck. No. Alright, now we're gonna build a snowman. I don't know how we're supposed to build a snowman, but yeah. To make a snowman is very hard.
We need a bucket. Put your hoodie on. You're gonna get sick, babe.
Oh no. Me no sick. Okay, one layer.
No, here. Izzy, it's dirty there. Don't go there. Okay, mommy's frozen. I think we should go.
Let me show them. She's zipped up in her coat. She's like, she's so cold. Meanwhile, I don't really want my hoodie on. This is how you do a robot snowman. No, snow angel. Alright, now.
Oh, you messed up your shape. I was gonna show them your shape.
What? Oh yeah, that's my
You know when you make a snow angel, it's actually like an angel shape?
Yeah, but let me make that the shape.
No, it's too much snow there. Don't do it. Izzy! Oh, it's so pretty.
It's not, that's not an angel.
And you are not an angel.
Devil!
What are you doing? So are you enjoying the snow?
Yeah, you're not.
Do you like it? You don't think it's cold?
No, I don't think it's cold.
You didn't even want to wear a hat. You didn't want to wear a second sweater. Ow! And I'm here freezing.
And I'm here not freezing.
Look what she's doing to her brother. He don't even got a sweater, no jacket. Poor Prince.
His eyes.
Look at him. Like if you feel bad for Prince, baby Prince.
Alright, let's just. He just wants some flames. Alright, now he's gonna make a snow angel.
I thought that was your brother. That's how you treat him.
Right.
This is why you're not getting a brother.
I want a brother. His snow angel. Okay, I'm gonna make a seat. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna go play. Mom.
Snowball fight!
I was about to say that. I'm gonna get the biggest one.
Okay, mommy's hand is frozen again. Woo!
Okay.
Snowball cake!
You guys want some snow? Okay. Okay, want some snow?
No, throw it up, throw it up.
Do you want some snow?
Is it go throw it like
She wants some snow. Let me record. Let me do some snowballs to you. All right. Get some nice.
That is easy.
Oh my god.
Pull them out of here. Oh,
Here you go.
Izzy, stop.
Here you go. Look at her. Look at her.
Just give me the phone.
Here you go. Alright.
I think it's time we go inside.
No, it's not time to go inside. It's time for snowball.
No, my hands are turning because you got gloves. Mommy, don't. And Prince is just in the snow sitting. Oh my god.
He's okay.
Throw it in. No, wait. Throw it in the air.
Okay.
Izzy, no. Okay, I'm out. Out of here.
You're gonna get chased.
This is a wrap. We're out. This is Izzy. Well, it's too cold. Say bye.
No, why?